everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm gonna use those same paints that I had that you saw in the beginning. And I'm gonna also add to that Artist Loft Black and White. And I think I'm going to do a ring pour. And I'm gonna start that. Well, let's fill up our paints first. And I'm going to start with matte metallics, Deco Art matte metallics in sapphire. And right next to that, I should have taken these off. You know what? Let me stop this 1 second. Okay, there we go. All right, now I can do this with all the tops off. And here's a little titanium white. And there we go. And here's some muted violet. Liquitex muted violet. And then I'm going to put a little Deco Art metallic gold. And I'm going to add in some quinacridone magenta, Liquitex soft body. And how about some Art Minds, smoked pearl. Put a little titanium white in there. And some Art Minds, sugar plum. And mixed in with that is Liquitex Cobalt U. And Deco Art Sapphire. I'm sorry, Deco Art Amethyst. And I'm going to put in a little more of that titanium white. And now I have Jo Sonia, and this is called Raindrop. It's a gorgeous, beautiful color. Seems like we got a little something stuck in there. That went way underneath. Huh. Okay. Add some gold. Add a little more violet in there. Go back to my sapphire. Here's a little antique bronze. Pewter. gold. Okay, and that Jo Sonia raindrop. Let's see. Sapphire. And some more muted violet. Okay, I'm gonna put that down for a second and start that off. A little black in the middle. And I am gonna take my paints and take them out of the way here. Hope everyone is doing well this evening, this morning, this evening, this afternoon, whenever you're watching. Hope everyone is well. If you are a painter and you're thinking, you may want to think about joining our Galaxy pour on May 4th. May the 4th be with you, as they say in Star Wars. If there's any Star Wars fans out there, we'd love to have you. It's going to be a fun day of pours and little gifts to go along the way. Okay, now hopefully this will go well. Some nice cell action in there. Yeah, some great cell action, as a matter of fact. Colors look great. Looks pretty good. I like it. Okay. I love those beautiful cells that I got around the ends. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So if you like what you see here, I'll take you in for a close-up in a little while. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Come back tomorrow. If you'd like to join our galaxy pour, please just mention it down below in the comments. We'd love to have you. That's going to be May 4th. And yeah, thank you for coming. Have a great day. This is Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Bye-bye now. Okay, this is a close-up. I hope you can see all that iridescent in there. And those metallics. Beautiful shine. That cell inside a cell. All that color. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. That turned out absolutely gorgeous. Really beautiful. Nice crisp lines. And the shine is amazing from the iridescent, the Artist Loft iridescent.